Having a candle business is not just about making candles. It is about customer service. That is priority number one. So when I wake up in the morning, I go downstairs and I check to see which orders are urgent and which are not. We just moved and I really hate trying to work in utter chaos. So I am working hard on getting all of the boxes done and my chaos more organized. It is just a nightmare having to work in this environment right now. My little dog, Tiny Man, likes to come down, see what I'm doing, check it out, and hang out with me. However, he is really scared of the boxes, so I can only spend a few minutes with him, and then I really have to put him down and let him go on his way. I do have to stop and take a moment to answer customer questions and concerns, and perhaps any reviews that have popped in. I like to make sure that I answer all my customers' reviews. I did create this scent sample wall so that I can ship out some samples when I fill orders. And I have found that my customers really love to smell all the samples, so labeling them is important. While I'm labeling samples, I heard a sound coming from the back room. I was completely startled by the sound, and it was boxes moving, and it really kind of freaked me out. It stopped for a while, so I thought nothing of it. However, the night before, I completely lost sleep because it sounded like people were moving objects in my room, and I don't know what the heck it is. I tend to end up buying houses that seem to have some sort of spirits or ghosts attached to them. Whether you believe it or not, doesn't matter. I'm not trying to recruit you. But at one point, the sound really was strong. I love how I pushed the chair right in front of me. And of course, I go check it out as if I've not seen enough horror movies. But I'm like, okay, well, it is what it is. And I just have to keep going and pray that I live and don't get hacked up. So I start cleaning and scrubbing because, having dust particles floating around and going into your candle wax is not fun for not only me, but for customers. So I make sure that I get that all cleaned and done. I also make skincare, which a lot of people don't really realize. I formulate and love doing organic skincare. So here I am putting away all my skincare products and getting things ready so that I can start hustling in that world again, because I really, really miss doing it. Candles, I love. I can't tell you how much I love it, but people really dig my skincare. Now back to the computer to create some more listings. ChatGPT is literally going to drive me to drinking. It is making me crazy with how freaking slow it is. I am so past it and over it. My husband finally came home and decided to help me with breaking down the wall of boxes. This moving box wall is a nightmare. He's asking me if I want to keep this old shower curtain plastic, and I'm like, nope, no Dexter times for me right now. I don't plan on hacking anyone up. So I think he decided he doesn't want to break down many boxes, so he's just stomping on them. But you do you, bro. I am so done with all of this chaos and can't wait until everything is in order and in its space. I have a feeling that every crafter or candle maker understands what that's like and how great it feels to get your place in order and ready to hustle.